Download a file, come over to here and upload the said file. Go out with friends, watch a movie, do whatever you want while you keep making money. In today's video, we will be going over a strategy that will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars in passive income without investing hours and hours of your precious time for just a small amount of cash. Before I show you how to set it up, however, I have to remind you that if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss more said videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, guys, let's now jump straight into the video. Okay, so I have a very interesting and straightforward strategy for you today. But as always, please stay patient and stick with me until the end so you don't miss important bits of information on how to properly set this up that I'll give you throughout the course of the video. Otherwise, it won't work as intended and you won't be able to make a lot of money at all. Anyway, the site that will be a part of this strategy today is called plrminds.com. This is one of the two sites I will be showing you today. PLR Minds is a site where you can find various digital products. They range from ebooks to video tutorials, website templates, various software, and so on. What's special about it is that you get to download and use said products for completely free and with a license to do so, with PLR standing for Product Label Rights. So you can basically download an ebook, for example, you can resell it, you can customize it and then resell it. You can literally do whatever you want with the products on this site, since it gives you permission to do so. With that said, however, I don't want to give the wrong impression. We are not selling anything, just like I promised you in the intro. You won't need sales skills or whatever, nothing like that. By clicking on freebies here, you'll be able to see precisely what products we have on this site. You have free ebooks, free graphics, which you can download as well, and once again, use however you want to. You have videos, which mostly consist of video tutorials as is seen below, and most of these are actually grouped together and form like a course of some sort. You have free templates, and these include the site templates I did mention a minute ago. And finally, you have various softwares. When you want to download one of these, all you have to do is click on here. That will now take you over to this page, and you will have a bunch of products to choose from. In my example, I just chose videos to show you how this all looks like. When you pick what you want to download, just click on Get It Now, then scroll down a bit until you come across the download button right here, and download this product that you can then give out to other people for free as you have the license to do so. Bear in mind, guys, that you won't be able to download this immediately. Instead, the download button will be sort of locked, but you'll be able to unlock it by liking them on Facebook or something like that. It'll take you only 10 seconds to do so. If you don't want to do that, you can just register and create an account by clicking Join in the upper right corner, but it's not really necessary to do so, hence why I didn't do it myself. Anyhow, guys, your goal on this site is to download files that you will then re-upload onto the next platform. I highly recommend the videos, as they will make you the most money by far, but you can of course use other products, and in any case, you want to download a few of them and come onto the second platform, one that will actually pay us. That platform is called uploadforever.com. This site is a file-sharing, free cloud storage for your data. You'll basically upload files on this site, and whenever someone downloads them, you will get paid a certain amount of money. The way this basically works is when someone clicks to download one of the video courses you uploaded, the site will show them various advertisements before they can actually download the files, and you will get a portion of that ad revenue, and as such, this is a win-win situation for everyone. The advertisers get their desired traffic, you and this site share the ad revenue, while the person who downloaded the course got it for completely free. They don't have to pay anyone whatsoever. All they have to do for you to get paid is download the file. That's literally it. Furthermore, it's far easier to convince someone to download an absolutely free course or website template, whatever it may be, rather than to pay for someone, as would be the case if you were an affiliate. And if that's not good enough, all the money that you will be making will be essentially in passive income. All you have to do is upload a dozen or so files on here, and that's it. This site gets regular traffic every single month. And so people keep downloading files you've uploaded, potentially months if not years after you've actually uploaded them on here. You'll basically forget about them, but will still get paid nonetheless. For a beginner with no skills and experience with making money online, this site is one of the best ways to get started. Anyways, by clicking on Make Money right up here, you'll see on the next page that you get paid per every 1,000 downloads. That's how this works. But that's not all I wanted to show you. Below all this, you'll see all the ways in which you can get paid. And there are not only a huge amount of them, but they include some of the favorite payment methods of you guys, primarily PayPal and Bitcoin. But if you, by a slight chance, are not a fan of either, then you have over a dozen other payment options that this site has to offer. Way more than other similar platforms. Now, for any of you who perhaps have some doubts about this site's legitimacy, if this perhaps seems too easy to you or whatever, just click on Payment Proof and you will see evidence of people getting paid various amounts of money every single day through a bunch of the aforementioned payment methods. With all of that said and done, guys, what you need to do on this site in order to start uploading files is to register. And by clicking on Sign Up, you will be able to do just that. Enter in your username, password, email address. You can right away enter in your payment info, such as your PayPal address if you want, or alternatively, you can do it later. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot, and click on Sign Up and you're good to go. When you create an account and log in, this is how everything will look. And it does look quite nice. In order to upload any files, you might have to just click on Upload Files here and open them from your PC. The amount of money you made is located right next to that. In order to get paid, just click on Request Payout below. And by the way, something really nice about this site is that there is no minimum requirement of money in your balance before you can withdraw it. So even if you've earned as little as $1 or even less, you can withdraw it with no problems. Moreover, you have a lot of space to upload your files. With this amount, you can literally upload hundreds and hundreds of them, which could of course lead to quite a bit of money made in passive income. What you will essentially do is just repeat the same process over and over again. You'll come over to plrminds.com and download several files, then come back over here and upload them to get paid. Furthermore, there are other PLR websites out there that you can use if you don't like the amount of files PLR Minds has to offer. FreePLRDownloads.com being one of them, and it works in much the same fashion. Anyways, the last thing worth noting about this site is the referrals. Now, referring people to here is a great idea because people can make money by uploading files. So if you share this site with various Make Money online groups on Facebook, for example, chances are some of them will be willing to click on that affiliate link of yours. The said link is of course located just below. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.